tit for tat. One day, Mr. Tiger felt too lazy even to get up from where he was lying. At once, he remembered that he was after a heavy meal. At the same time, a bright idea flashed across his mind. Why not have a servant? Why not? Why not? He asked himself several times. I'm very old now. If I can have a servant, he will do everything for me. I can eat and sleep without any problem, he thought. But there was a problem. Who was going to be his servant? The rabbit, the deer, and the stag would not be safe with him. Mr. Tiger racked his brain to find a solution. Ah, I can employ Mr. Fox as a servant. Where is this fellow? Mr. Tiger looked around. Then he immediately sent word for Mr. Fox to appear before him. When Mr. Fox came running to him, Mr. Tiger ordered him to be his servant. Mr. Fox had no choice. One day, Mr. Tiger was invited to a feast at a nearby cave, and he took Mr. Fox along as his personal servant to impress his host. On arrival, Mr. Tiger left Mr. Fox at the entrance and went in alone. During the meals, Mr. Tiger wolfed down his food without a thought for his servant waiting outside. After the feast, the host who accompanied Mr. Tiger to the entrance of the cave saw Mr. Fox waiting there. The host apologized to Mr. Fox and asked him to come in and have some food. At that time, Mr. Tiger intervened and said, "Don't worry about him. My eating is equal to his eating." "Oh, I didn't know that," said the host. On their return journey, Mr. Tiger and Mr. Fox had to cross a river as they had taken a different route. At once, Mr. Fox jumped into the water and swam across the river. Mr. Tiger, who was unable to swim, shouted, "You are my servant. Take me across the river. I'm too heavy to swim." Mr. Fox laughed from the opposite bank of the river and said, "My swimming is equal to your swimming." Moral: treat others as you wish to be treated. What goes around, comes around, just like the tiger learned when the fox repaid his selfishness in kind. Thank you for your time. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our